Ever dreamt you were drowning? It's a terrifying experience, but what does it actually mean? Many people think it's just a random, scary dream, but it holds a much deeper message about your waking life. And I can tell you what it is with 100% accuracy. To understand it, we first need to know how our reality is represented in dreams. Think of your mind in 3 parts: the superconscious, the subconscious, and the conscious mind. In the dream world, the sky represents your superconscious mind or your connection to the universe. The earth represents your subconscious mind, where your deep-seated beliefs are stored. And water, that's the key here. Water always represents your conscious life experiences, the day-to-day reality your physical body navigates. So if you dream you're drowning, the water is overwhelming you. This is a direct reflection of feeling overwhelmed by your current life experiences. You might be feeling swamped at work, stressed in your relationships, or just generally struggling to keep your head above water. This dream isn't meant to scare you. It's a wake-up call from your higher self. It is asking you to find your calm and to trust in what I call the complete law of the universe. This law is the unwavering truth that every single thing happening in your life, good or bad, is guiding you toward your ultimate purpose. The universe is constantly working for you. It's either manifesting your desires directly or creating situations that push you to grow in the ways you need to, so you can then manifest those desires. When you see this dream, it's a prompt to let go of the struggle. Stop fighting the current. Instead, trust the guidance of your inner self. Your intuition knows the way. When you trust that inner voice, you never have to worry or panic about the direction your life is taking, because you know it's all leading you to exactly where you need to be. You can relax, float, and let the universe guide you to shore. Dreams are a direct line to your inner wisdom, but they speak in a symbolic language. If you want to dive deeper and get true clarity on any dream you've had, check out the Chitta Dream Decoder. It's designed to give you precise, accurate interpretations to help you navigate your life's journey. Thanks for watching.